Hi, today we're talking about what are the detailed steps in Stage 2 of a divorce. Stage 2 of a divorce involves the following individual steps. A. In Stage 2, the court's aim is to decide on how to handle the ancillary matters regarding the division of matrimonial assets and property, for example, the matrimonial home, custody, care and control and access to the children, as well as maintenance of the wife and children. The court will then issue a final judgment if that has been decided that the marriage can be dissolved or terminated at the end of Stage 2. The plaintiff and defendant must submit their written statements or affidavits containing their evidence in support of what they are asking the court to give them in terms of orders relating to spousal maintenance, custody of the children, division of the matrimonial assets and costs. Mediation and sessions may also be arranged to help the individuals resolve these issues more amicably. They must also respectively file a special affidavit of assets and means in which they disclose and declare all their assets, liabilities, income, and expenses. If one person feels that the other is improperly or dishonestly withholding information, he can apply to the court to make an order to force that person to provide the information, documents, or materials required. This is a process called discovery. After the parties have filed these affidavits, the court will then decide if the case should be handled in the family court or transferred to the High Court. Usually the case will be handled in the High Court if the net value of all the assets exceed or are more than $5 million, or if the court feels that the case involves a very important question of law or a very technical or complex issue that can only be decided or handled in the High Court. When the choice of court has been made, an ancillary hearing date is scheduled for the parties or their lawyers, if they are represented, to present their written or oral arguments to the court. After all the ancillary matters have been concluded, the plaintiff can then proceed to file the necessary papers to extract the final judgment order, provided 3 months have already passed since the interim judgment was first issued earlier. So, there you have it, some very basic information about what are the detailed steps in Stage 2 of a divorce. Thanks for watching.